That's good. Surprisingly, the Bristol Power Lifter pet finally got ordered from someone else. But that's okay. So today we're going to review a Kenmore Powermate Compact Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Just like a Henry HVR 200, the Kenmore canister picks up dirt pretty good, and there's a brush roll right here. So just step on it to recline the handle, and then we'll give a run video for another vacuum cleaner. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Now, as you can see, the Kenmore picks up so much dirt, just like a Bristol Power Lifter pen. It was a pretty good suction power. Let's just show you how brush roll spins really fast. It was going so fast. So, thanks for watching. If you want to see more vacuum cleaner videos, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the like button. So, have fun, guys.